Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make loading animations in Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and create a new artboard. You will want to design the initial state of your loading element. Think about what you want your loading animation to look like at the very beginning. Simple shapes such as circles, rectangles, or lines often work best for a clean and effective design. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth animation process. Now duplicate your first artboard to create the second state of your animation. On this new artboard, modify the properties of your loading element. You can change its position, scale it up or down, rotate it, or adjust its opacity. These changes will define how your element transforms during the loading sequence. Experiment with different adjustments to achieve a visually engaging effect. Remember, small changes can make a big impact. Next, switch to prototype mode to connect your artboards. Drag a wire from the first artboard to the second. For the trigger, select Time, and for the action, choose Auto Animate. This powerful feature automatically interpolates the changes you made. Set a delay, perhaps 0 seconds, and a duration, maybe 1 second, to control the speed of your animation. Fine-tuning these settings ensures a polished and professional look. Finally, preview your animation to see it in action and make any necessary adjustments. Experiment with different easing options like ease in or snap to give your animation a unique feel. Once you are satisfied, you can share your prototype with others or export it as a video or GIF for use in your projects. This allows you to showcase your creative loading animation effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.